Here we are at 11 Castle Harbor Isle Drive. We just got this property made up. If you look down, we got fresh sodded grass, newly mulched home, freshly painted, black garage, white house. And wait till you see the inside, the views of this 80-foot water. And if that wasn't it, we are 100 yards east to the ocean. You guys ready to see this masterpiece? Let's go. Whew. It is hot out there, but it's cool in here. I'm ready to tell you about this house. More than 4,000 square feet. The primary bedroom is huge. The primary closet is huge. The primary patio is huge. Everything in here, huge. My favorite room next to the bar, it feels huge. The living room feels huge. Even this sitting area is huge, which takes us right to the outside. Look at these windows that slide left and right. It literally brings the outside in, inside out, outside, inside, outside, inside. Gotta love it, and it happens all the way down. You see this wrought iron? I see you guys as we go up. Brand new floors up here. Room for any chandelier that you want. And you can scream down here, "Hey guys, I'm coming, pause the game." Here we are on the primary. High ceilings, mood lighting, beautiful floors. And if that wasn't enough, you're gonna wait till you see the closet. But we're starting in my favorite part. Love this view. This primary patio is huge. And if you thought this was big, let me show you the closet. Let's go. If we were in New York, you might think this would be a studio apartment, but no, it could be your closet right in here. You might think I'm doing yoga, but this is actually the closet. It's got an island in the middle and shelves and hangers for days. Just like everything else in this house, the primary bathroom is big enough for a party. Whirlpool pub. I call that a whirlpool pub because you could have beers in there. Look at this shower. I could literally spin in circles and not hit anything. And for those of you that forgot that I'm 5'5", now I'm 6'5", there is a seat in the shower. This house is so big I have to blotch a little bit. You guys ready to go see the rest of the house? Let's go. The closest proximity to the kitchen, to the bar, to the TV, and to outside. Does it get better than this? Favorite room here. But if that was all, this house would be great. But we're gonna go right through this kitchen. Look at this kitchen. It is literally in the center of the house. Rounded countertop, ready for everything. Oven hood. Views of the water while you're washing your hands or cooking. This kitchen has everything you're waiting for. But wait, there's more. Besides this house being big, beautiful, and bold, and on the water, so many additional features. If you want to Airbnb it, this can gross you over $175,000 a year. If you want your family here, one of the best A-rated schools in the county. We have Bayview Elementary. We have supermarkets less than a half mile, gym less than 1 mile, Starbucks less than 0.7 miles. Everything you need is within a mile of this house, including the ocean. It's less than 100 yards away. This is a perfect house for investment or family. Now, the reason you're all here, let's check outside. We have 80 feet of frontage, but it's gonna take too long, so we're gonna run. I'm a little out of breath. Need to get to that bar room. If you look off to the right, just past that building, that's the ocean. And just to the left, right behind us, the intercoastal. Does this not epitomize keep calm and let Chad handle it? Shade, water, tequila. I think that's why this is my splash deal of the week. Guys, don't forget, stay happy. Now that we've had a chance to look at this Bermuda Riviera home, 4,100 square feet on 80 feet of water, inside, outside. That is why this is my splash deal of the week! Not heated.